Staying in South Carolina, the Supreme Court has issued an opinion upholding the state's fetal heartbeat law. That law bans women from getting an abortion after 6 weeks. The opinion addressed the question of when a fetal heartbeat occurs at 6 weeks or 9 weeks of pregnancy. Planned Parenthood argued that fetal heartbeat does not occur until after the formation of all 4 chambers of the heart, which is usually around 9 weeks. However, the state says it occurs at approximately 6 weeks. Planned Parenthood will continue to fight the ban.